Yan, dumating na yung ating vibration dampener. Quad lock vibration dampener. So ikakabit natin ngayon dito sa ating quad lock handlebar mount pro. So, may instruction naman, clear. Tatanggalin muna natin itong locking mechanism, and then ilalagay natin itong dampener and so on and so forth. So kabit natin.